What's up, everyone? Greetings, much light and love to you from Bali, Indonesia. My name is Mike. I'm here with another minimalist travel gear video. I got all my stuff on my bed here in my little very minimalist homestay tonight. It's just this tiny little room, but less is more. So yeah, I got all my stuff here. I got my backpack and my clothes and everything, and I'm gonna break it down, show you all the stuff that I've been carrying recently. Yeah, just like living this kind of minimalist travel lifestyle. I've been using this bag here now for 5 years, 25 liters. Yeah, I'm gonna show you all. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so as you can see, it's really not a lot of stuff. This is my backpack, 25 liter capacity. It's from a company called Tom Bin, made in the USA. It's super durable. It's served me well for the past 5 years. It's got plenty of scratches and stuff, but I don't really care about that. And it's still going strong, no holes on this super durable material. So there's an ant on my phone. Yeah, I'm gonna keep using this bag for the foreseeable future, and I'll show you a little bit more of the pockets, but I do have a video you can check where I show everything about this bag and talk about it in more detail. Here I have my laptop. It's decent lightweight laptop relative to most laptops. I call it the Heisenbook, you know, because it's a Heisenberg MacBook. You know what I mean, the Heisenbook. But it's not a MacBook, it's actually a Microsoft Surface Go 2, in case you're wondering. It's a very lightweight computer, and yeah, it's been serving me well for like almost 2 years now. Here I have just like some electronics. Maybe you don't need some stuff that I use, but let's see. Yeah, here's like my adapter that I plug into the wall, so I can use this in like every country. It's got a bunch of different settings. This is just a box to charge GoPro batteries, and I have my external hard drive here. This thing is super tiny, as you can see, very lightweight, 2 terabyte. I highly recommend getting something like this SanDisk external hard drive if you make a lot of content. It's really come in handy for me. I have some like micro SD cards and just a bunch of cables and stuff in here, so this whole thing is like super lightweight, probably about 1 pound or maybe less, and it just fits in this bag. This is my toiletry kit. I've had this bag for a few years. It's also super minimal. The biggest thing in here is this big bundle of sage, which I just use to kind of, you know, clear the energy sometimes in a new place when I feel like doing that. I've got this that I got in Vietnam. It's like the best razor ever, super minimal, from a brand called Camel. And with that, I have 3 little, let's see, these are like my fingernail clippers. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just these 3 different like blade setting sizes for this razor. And then I have this supposedly coconut charcoal fluoride free toothpaste and bamboo toothbrush. I have another toothbrush as well. So that's all the stuff in there. It all fits in there well, and yeah, it's pretty small as well. My clothes. So I recently had more clothes. I also have the clothes I'm wearing. I recently had more clothes, but I got inspired by my friend Crystal. Shout out to Crystal, you know who you are. This girl travels with like 6 pounds of stuff. It's like 3 kilograms. Super crazy. And she just like made me realize that I haven't even been using the clothes that I bring. So yeah, I recently got rid of some clothes, and now I just have 1 pair of pants that are very like lightweight. They're like a polyester from Viore. And then I have these swim trunks that are also from Viore. It's a California based, don't know if they have the logo, maybe they don't. Anyway, so I have a pair of pants, have a pair of swim trunks, have 1 long sleeve shirt from a company called Bare Bottom. These are all like polyester, and I'm working towards getting rid of these and switching to 100% sustainable fabric clothing, like what I'm wearing, which I'll talk about more. I'll just talk about right now. So yeah, polyester, this kind of stuff, it's like petroleum based clothing. It's really like not good for the environment. It's not sustainable. It's what all sports stuff is made of. Lululemon, Nike, Adidas, they all use like polyester stuff, which I don't really want to support anymore, but I just have this stuff right now and I will use it until I replace it. But these I just got recently. They're made of linen and cotton from this local brand called Lost in Paradise in Bali. And these are like my new favorite shorts ever. I see myself wearing these shorts for like the next 10 years if they last that long, and I will, yeah, maybe just keep buying from this brand because I finally found the perfect travel shorts that I've been looking for such a long time. I'll show you these more in a little bit, but I'm super hyped about these. And I plan to just get a pair of like hemp underwear to replace these swim trunks. But anyway, I have that stuff right now. And I have one t-shirt that I'm wearing, as well as one more t-shirt, two more t-shirts. So 1, 2, 3 t-shirts. This one is bamboo. This one is like cotton. And then I have a tank top that is bamboo. So yep, 1, 2, 3 t-shirts, one tank top, a long sleeve, this pair of shorts, and a pair of swim trunks, and a pair of pants. And I do have one sweatshirt hoodie inside this bag right now because I'm about to go to a waterfall after I make this video, and it might rain, so I have my jacket in here. I also have this little towel, which is not very big. Most people would be like, how do you use that as a towel? This is the biggest that it gets. It's got all of these fauna and flora from someplace in Mexico. Shout out to Bernardo and Yared for this gift. This thing has lasted me 2 years, and this towel is just honestly the most amazing thing ever. I can dry my entire body with this towel. It is so good at soaking up moisture. I don't know what this is made of, but it is just so, it dries so quick, and it's so good at soaking up water. Like, this towel is a miracle, and it can fold down into the size of my hand. That is one of the best things I have. I do also have right now I'm carrying, this is almost empty, but this is this natural Aretha powder that I got from India, which I just use to wash my clothes. And I do have this like scarf, very thin, really thin, like scarf or kind of like beach towel kind of thing, really lightweight, that I also got from India. And in here I have something that I got recently, this like little neti pot. Not sure if you know what a neti pot is. It looks like this kind of genie lamp from Aladdin, and basically you fill this up with water or herbal tea or something else, and you run it through your nose. It goes inside of your nose and it goes out through the other nostril, and then you can do the other side, go in and out this nostril, and it just like clears the mucus from your head, which I don't know why, but for some reason I accumulate mucus like right here sometimes. So yeah, a friend of mine suggested I get one of these, and I feel my breathing already better, so I'm going to keep using this in my morning routine, and I'll keep you updated with the results. But anyway, I have this neti pot now, and I'm going to probably just keep wrapping it in this towel and hope that it doesn't break. And I think that's everything. I also have this bag, which is filled up, if I can unzip this. I have this bag, it's filled up with mangosteens, one of my favorite fruits in Bali. Probably have like 4 kgs or something. I just had 2 kgs right here. So I do have this bag, very lightweight bag that I got from India that I just use to fill up with fruit sometimes. And that's it. Everything fits really easily. inside my Tom bin, backpack, and yeah, I'll go ahead and put everything inside the bag and show you that. All right, so here we got the bag packed out. I have this tied together because I had my bike driving with this bag on my bike. But yeah, here's the backpack, just like that. Got everything inside of it now. Usually, let's see if I can get this open. Usually, I would take this jacket, this hoodie, sweatshirt, jumper, whatever you want to call it, this thing that has no zipper. Usually I would keep that out of my bag when I'm traveling, like in an airport or something, because this thing is just big. So I usually am just wearing this when I am traveling, or now I'm traveling in Bali with a bike, and I just keep this like inside under the seat of my bike because it's so warm here in Bali. I never need to use this. And so usually my bag is like this, with a lot more spacious and kind of loose and not very bulky. Keep my clothes here. Surprisingly, this packing cube that I've had, if I can get it out. Whoa, come on, there we go. This is my packing cube. It's very lightweight mesh material from Eagle Creek, but I've had this thing for like 6 years and it hasn't ripped. I'm super surprised. So I keep my clothes in there, and then that's against the back of my backpack. That way the clothes are like, against my back and it feels soft. I keep my laptop inside of this middle sleeve. I have this sleeve in the middle. My laptop goes in the middle. So the weight just feels kind of balanced, and then I just have things spread out in these different pockets. And yeah, super lightweight setup. Yeah, just minimal lifestyle. Here we go. I got this very minimal room, minimal backpack, minimal life. Just the more I go through life, the more I realize less is more, and I don't need fancy cars and designer clothes and whatever else. Yeah, I get the most from just experiences, being out here in nature, surrounded by all these trees. Just coming over here, doing a little hippie tree hugging and walking around barefoot. Yeah, that's where I get my fulfillment. It's just from experiencing life like inside and the earth and with other people. So yeah, I don't need a lot of stuff. That's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, that's what's up. I'm gonna go to a waterfall now. Yeah, I'll see you at the waterfall. This is abundance!